West winds of 21 miles an hour. Billings partly cloudy and 49 with breezy winds. Around the state of Idaho, Pocatello sunny and 48. Salmon, partly cloudy and 44 degrees. Greenville, temperature 46 degrees. Elsewhere in the region, Spokane, partly sunny and 43. Winds from the northeast at 9 miles an hour. Seattle, partly sunny and 50. Winds from the south at 12 miles an hour. Salt Lake City, partly cloudy and preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXL25's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially cell receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. 11 tests will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake Central Valley. This has been a test of the low weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. 11 a.m. Weather in Missoula, partly cloudy skies. Temperature 44 degrees, relative humidity 67%. Winds calm. Pressure 30.25 inches and falling. Wind chilling spells.